influence begins with who you are. People think that, oh, when I become successful, then I will influence. When I have 10,000 followers on Instagram, then I will influence. Jesus said, no, influence begins today. Am I talking to someone? Faithfulness in what he has called you is influence. Integrity is influence. Kindness is influence. Have you heard the word kindness attracts? Forgiveness is influence. Consistency is influence. You know why? Because your children are watching. Your people, your co-workers are watching. Colleagues are watching. Neighbors are watching. They are watching you live your life. Are you going to be light or are you going to be salt? They are watching. Somebody is learning Christ simply by watching you. Somebody's life is changing simply by watching you. Who says you are a son of God?